Dorelli here with WTI.
If you're looking for a laptop for work that doesn't break the bank, then I think the Dell Latitude E6430 is a fantastic choice. First, it has a clear and bright 14-inch screen that makes it easy and comfortable to read, watch videos, and work on documents. And I think it also performs really well in terms of handling multiple things at the same time. I actually like to run music on YouTube while I work on other things, and it hasn't given me any lag issues. It's also fast and responsive. It starts up and loads programs quickly. You can get to work without any delays, which is very important for me. I bought this laptop for work specifically to receive inbound calls, and being able to start on time and handle programs without lagging or freezing was fundamental for me. And this laptop handles all my tasks efficiently. Also, the keyboard is comfortable to type on and the trackpad is responsive. I don't even have a mouse and I've never had any issues with the trackpad. It also has multiple USB ports and the Wi-Fi connectivity is reliable. It is easy to stay connected. So if you need a dependable laptop for work or for everyday use, I think the Dell Latitude E6430 is a great choice without breaking the bank. And that is my point of view.